October was generally a good month for stocks as they recovered some ground after a turbulent September. Now let's take a look at a few of last month's major events that had an impact on the markets. The third quarter earnings season kicked off in October, and the news is pretty lackluster. Out of 253 S&P 500 companies that have reported, profits were up just 2.4%, while revenues were down slightly by 1.4% compared to the same quarter last year. Now, these results tell us that the U.S. companies are still dealing with a lot of headwinds from issues like weak global growth, a strong dollar, and volatile oil prices. And keep in mind that these are overall results. If we exclude the struggling energy sector, total earnings would jump to 4.7% on 1.3% higher revenues. Also keep in mind that there are a lot of individual success stories from companies that have achieved great results despite the challenges. As financial professionals, part of our job is to help our clients find those success stories. The Federal Reserve's Open Market Committee met again in October and surprised no one when it voted to hold rates stable. However, the official statement told investors to hold on to their hats because a rate hike might come as early as December if the economy stays strong. Unfortunately, our first look at third quarter economic growth showed that gross domestic product grew a paltry 1.5%. Although this is just a preliminary report and economists will revise the data several more times, we can see that growth slowed sharply as U.S. businesses cut back on restocking their warehouses. Although it's very possible that weak growth may cause the Fed to continue to hold off on raising interest rates this year. However, many economists expect growth to pick up again in the fourth quarter, given the underlying strength in the U.S. economy. Ultimately, the decision to raise rates could come down to a coin toss for the Fed, so we'll keep you posted. That's it for the October economic update. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed here, or if you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at our office at 480-422-8522, and we'd be happy to speak with you.